Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Conrad ke sangma ulaong ba ka Jingshah kiam jong ba Gabriel ke yang rai ubade uhe Pulit kamdei halor ka jingkano bam sap thiet kali kumbala ong dakikat tu kat ni kilat pathai Kubor hendrei ka dei halor ka jingpendan kam baklaya ka pisa ka tingka ha ka baya dei ba ka jingpentrei ka National Emergency Response System Public Safety Answering Point hathanat sadar hasilong ulaong bahalor kate ka jingbam sap jong te Pulit long he nakalyang katanat Pulit kala ujor da ka ejahar bat hadian kata layo ban kem no yo te he Pulit bar ulaong ba ka jing toket yaw te Pulit kadang ya chakaman bat ka an kan le ya ka badon kam haba kali la hatu te he Pulit uncha suspend na ka kam menteri rangba ulaong ba kam dan jing e ban suspend yo te he Pulit hendrai an ya chwa kat kum ki kandon jong ka an.
The thing is that I would like to clarify to everyone because in some press clippings it has come that he has been arrested because of the vehicle scam. That is completely incorrect. So I would request the press friends to please do your homework. It is not under the vehicle scam as there was called. We told earlier also that there is that there was no such thing as a scam under the vehicle. There were certain allotment issues which one cannot define as a scam. So therefore this is a completely different concern and different issue. This is regarding the construction of one of the buildings that was allotted to the police department. I don't remember the exact name of the building, but there was a building construction, and in that building construction there was some allegations of some utilization of funds in that. And based on that, the FIR was lodged by the police department and the permission was sought from the government to pursue that. So it was in that regards that the entire arrest and the entire process of investigation was done and the FIR was lodged. It has nothing to do with vehicles as is being put up in some of the newspapers. Hence now the process is on. The inquiry will take place, investigations will take place, the law will take its own course. And based on that, whatever has to be done, it will be as per the laws that have been laid down.
Has he been suspended?
I don't have the exact information with me right now, but that is a very simple process. Suspension is not a very big action or something that is could be seen as any kind of a strong action against anybody. So it's a very small thing, suspension, and whatever steps, as I said, as per law has to be taken will be taken.